Report writing. Business reports are another form of business communication. Business reports are an unbiased, orderly presentation of facts and figures which are very important for any business purpose. The reports may be used either for understanding the progress of a situation, a project, or evaluation of the project, or it could be to understand, analyze information, problems for taking important decisions of the business. A report is a presentation and summation of facts, figures and information either collected or derived. It is a logical and coherent structuring of information, ideas and concepts. It is an art by itself. Report writing, business report writing is an art, and executives are expected to learn this art because at some point or the other they will have to make presentations in the form of writing about some event or the other. They have a lot of significance because decisions are taken based on this. A lot of important business rules can be written based on this. So it is very significant as far as an organization is concerned. What are the various types of reports that normally a business expects, demands? Some routine reports like the progress report. I want to know the progress of this project and I'd like to know all the details regarding that. An inspection report. I want to know what went wrong in this particular unit and hence based on which some decisions may have to be taken. Performance appraisal, a regular affair almost every year to understand how the human resources of the company are performing because they need to be recognized, rewarded. Periodical reports. It could be annual reports, it could be monthly report, it could be quarterly reports which are a regular feature of a business. Special reports. Investigation report. An investigation report, for example, why did this go wrong, and hence I would like a full report so that to avoid such mistakes in the near future. Survey/feasibility report. I want to do something, I want to know the feasibility of the solution or the problem. I want a survey done before I take a call as far as if I want to go on with the project or not. First information report, FIRs. Normally we file it with the police whenever we have an accident or we have a theft. Okay, it is filed with the police. It's called first information report. Project report. A particular project is on and our supervisors want to know the details of the project. That could be a project report. It can also be classified under information report and analytical report depending upon how it is framed. Information gives lots of facts and figures regarding a particular item, while analytical reports are mostly problem solving reports. Report writing is an organized event, hence it requires planning. So what are the points that we must remember while writing the report? Define the problem and the purpose. What is the purpose of my writing this report? If it is an analytical report, it could be what is the problem that I am addressing. Outline the issues for investigation. What are the issues on which the investigation has to happen? Prepare a work plan. Conduct research, analyze and interpret. Draw conclusions. So it is a detailed activity, requires a lot of effort, planning, a lot of reading, analyzing, and hence a very, very organized activity. The report writing process. Whenever we plan the report writing process, we have to keep in mind the following. Details of defining the problem. What are the details I need in order to define the problem? Purpose of report writing. What is my purpose? Is it evaluation? Is it some decision that needs to be done? Is it just a report? Presentation of report before the concern. Who am I presenting the report to and why? Utility of the report. How is the report useful? Once the report writing process starts, there are some steps in report writing process which one needs to follow. They are: the subject matter should be analyzed logically. Project review. In that case, I understand what project and what is the review all about. The final outcome is assessed, because a lot of homework before the writing starts, the planning has happened and a lot of research activity has happened. Third comes the actual writing process, and that's where I'm doing this kind of planning. The subject matter should be analyzed logically, which is what I'm going to do first. The final outcome is assessed. What is the outcome? A rough draft for the final outcome is prepared. Rewriting and polishing the rough draft. Always when we are writing, the first draft is never, it could be the starting point, but it needs a lot of polishing before the final draft is ready. Final bibliography is prepared and then writing the final draft. So it is an iterative process there.